arithmetic progression is that which terms increase with the constant difference. Suppose if I give you one example that first term is A. I'm using the algebraic term A. I increase it by some constant number, suppose D, then the next term become A plus D. If I increase D again, it become A plus 2D. If I increase again D, it become A plus 3D and dot dot dot. So what is going to be happen? We can find its any term because first term is known to us, that is A, and as and when we increase the constant number known as D, we are getting the next, immediate next, immediate next. So what is going to be happen? This is a pattern, this is the sequence, this is recognizable, this is formulable. इसका हम we can develop its formula. Now this part for you is coming here, that how we find, suppose first term, if I write first term A1, the first term is A. The second term I write A2, it is A plus 1D. If I go to see third term, it is A plus 2D. If I go to find fourth term is A plus 3D. So what we are finding here, what is the pattern, what is the formula, what is the system we can generate, or for what we are bound to think here? It is in the A1, that is in first term, there is no D, 0D. Second term 1D, third term 2D, fourth term 3D. So we are finding first term plus 1 less than which number of term time of D in every term. So similarly, if I ask you fifth term, you will say A plus, as it is the fifth term. So how many D's here will come? 4D. Sixth term A plus 5D. If I ask you a general term, suppose I ask you what is kth term. So the kth term will be A plus K minus 1 into D. A plus K minus 1 into D is the AK. Now AK is A plus K minus 1 into D. Reason being, pattern is telling you, and you can observe very clearly, the pattern is for first term 0D, for second term 1D, for third term 2D. That is, we are adding 1 less than times of D in the first term to find any term. So for finding kth term, K minus 1 times of D is added to first term, that is what? A. Now if I ask you to find its general term An, you will say it is A plus n minus 1 into D. If I ask you general term mth term, it is A plus m minus 1 into D. Here mandatory to understand that A is known as the first term and D is known as the common difference. So we can conclude here, to obtain AP or to check whether the progression is AP or not. To find its general term, we always apply this formula, An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Number 1. Arithmetic progression is that progression in which the difference between any two successive terms is always constant, and this constant difference is known as the common difference. For a general example, if first term is A plus D is second term, A plus 2D is the third term, A plus 3D is fourth term, and so on, D is its common difference. Nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D, kth term is A plus k minus 1 into D, mth term is A plus m minus 1 into D. Suppose somebody asks, what is its 100th term? You will say A100 is equals to A plus 99D, because whenever which term we want to find, we add 1 less than, we are finding here 100th term. 100 minus 1, 99. 99 into D become 99D. This 99D will be added to first term. What is first term? A. So this is the formula generating the formula for finding the nth term. And now we will take some examples where we will calculate how to find first term, how to find nth term, how to find mth term, how to find the common difference with increasing and decreasing arithmetic progressions.